So there's been a lot of buzz recently about making money on YouTube and how much money you can actually make on YouTube as a small content creator. I see videos all over the place. YouTube's on easy mode. You can make money as a small YouTube creator. You can do this, you can do that. So I'd figure, hey, why don't I just show you how much money I've made in 2024 as a small YouTube creator. Now, I don't really have a lot of subscriptions. I have around 3,700 subscriptions, which given, I'm very appreciative for that number, but I am no big creator by any means possible. I got monetized in May, but I didn't really get monetized for AdSense until June. So the amount of money that I'm going to be showing you guys is from June up until now, but I'm not really going to show too much about January because it's still ongoing, but I'll do it up until now. So it's about 6-7 months. I don't know how many months it might have been. 1, 2, 3, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So like 8 or 9 months, I guess. 8 months, 7 months if you don't include May. Anyway, so I figured I'd just show you how much I make. So instead of just beating around the bush, let's just jump right into it. All right, so for from January 1st until December 31st, I made $3,149.77. You might not think that's a lot of money, but for me, considering I have a day job and I have a second side hustle for gig work, and then the YouTube, I basically just make videos of me doing gig work. So I get to do two jobs in one. That extra $3,149, that's a good amount of money in my book. I mean, considering it's been 7 months, some people might not say it's that great, but the first couple months weren't that big. So I'll go over what I did make in the first couple months here. So let's see. Going from May, I only made $2.45 in May. Big shout out to Hybrid Hustler was actually my first donation on one of my videos. It was for my Yosemite video. He donated $4.99, and obviously YouTube takes pretty much half of what you get from donation. So it ended up being $2.45. So I can't really count that month, but I'm still going to anyway. And then I got AdSense. I got approved for AdSense in around June. And you can see that June was my first month actually making like a decent amount of money, which was $254. The next couple of months, June, July was even less. July was $221. November was $193. So I didn't really pick up really doing too much as far as revenue until September, October, November. Yeah, well, even November wasn't even that good because November I had taken. Let me go back. November was my birthday month, and it was around. We were taking vacations and stuff, so I didn't really post a lot. So that's why November was bad. But September, October were my big months. Started to be my big months. August, September, October, I started making around $400 to $500, and then October $880 that month. January, it's estimated that it's going to be around $700 this month as well. I would like to make it around $800. So in general, the more you post, the better your revenue is going to be. Not only that, but I started to go, so like the $400, this was mainly AdSense. It was all AdSense. And then I started going live. Shout out to Glitch Dash for making me go live, because that really upped my revenue a lot. Once I started going live, I started making a lot more money, right? So these 2 months here, these were the live months. December and October. Again, November was my birthday month. I didn't go live really. I took a break from YouTube. But once I started going live, I started making a lot more money. As you can see, the breakdown of how much I made from watch page ads, from the ads, like from YouTube AdSense, I made $1,615.37. From supers and gifts, I made $1,000.84. And then from memberships, which not all people are members, people join as members, and I appreciate them. There's a lot of them that have been there for 4 months already, which is amazing. But a lot of these were also gifted. They were gifted as gift memberships. So I was $423 in gifted memberships. And then shorts, I really haven't taken advantage of shorts. I'm going to start taking advantage of shorts this year and try to make more money from shorts, because I think that's a missed opportunity that I wasn't able to capitalize on last year, but it was only $26. So again, in total, $3,149.77. That doesn't include ongoing of January, which is $129 so far. The most I've ever made from one video, and this video keeps getting me more views or more money. $148.87 so far is just explaining how to do DoorDash videos. How-to videos are going to get you more money. And then videos that are controversial or drama filled, which I immediately started to not do those videos because it brings a lot of negativity to your channel. But I did one of those. That was my second highest video. But what I've learned is definitely consistency is going to bring more money. 100%. I will say that I was swearing in my videos when I first started. Josh, if you watch this video, you suggested I don't swear, and I didn't take your advice soon enough. I really feel like I started to not swear in my videos, because once you get monetized, that's the one thing I didn't realize when I first started, is once you get monetized, the swearing can kind of scare away some advertisers. But I will say that consistency, much more than video production. Do I really appreciate making an awesome video? I can tell you this $500 in a day challenge video, I spent, 17 hours making, and then 17 hours editing, for a total of 34 hours, for a total of $44.94. Not exactly worth my time, but definitely learned some things, and I had some fun editing the video. There's been other videos I've spent 2 minutes on, and I've made almost the same amount of money. It's not always about the editing that's going to make you the money. It's about the consistency. I will say that most of my money, almost the same amount of money as AdSense I made from gifts and memberships. I made $1,500 compared to $1,600 from gifts to ad revenue. So literally half of the money I get is from my amazing subscribers, all the amazing people that watch my lives, that donate towards my lives. I'm eternally grateful for you guys. Thank you very much. But you got to find out what works for you. Honestly though, consistency. The more consistent you are uploading videos, the more YouTube is going to push your videos through the algorithm and push it out to more people. The more people see it, the more people share it, like it, comment. You just got to keep doing. You just got to start. You just got to keep making videos, and just don't stop. So yeah, that's how much I've made on YouTube, with a total of 3,724 subscribers, and that was in the period of 7 months. So I hope that this information helps you, at least shed some light onto what's possible for YouTube. I will say this much though: in order to get that $3,000 that I got from this year, I put in a lot of work. I mean, honestly, if you took the amount of hours that I put into YouTube and divided it by the amount of money I made, probably averaged like $1 per hour. So, there's gonna be a lot of time where you spend on YouTube that you are just not gonna get paid for it. And you also run the chance of you might not make it. I mean, I understand all these people are doing these videos saying how easy it is and it's easy mode and YouTube will pay you. I honestly don't think it's easy mode. I think you got to put a lot of hours into it. You got to be really, really dedicated into it. You know, YouTube is what you put into it. YouTube is what you make of it. If you put a lot of hours in, maybe you'll make it. But there's also the chance that you might not. You know, so make the decision for yourself. At least this is going to give you some behind the scenes information on how much money people actually make from this, or at least how much money I made. I know there's a lot of other people that make a lot more money than I do on this, you know, but at least this could shed some light. So I'll see you in the next video. Remember to stay positive. It'll always work out. Mad Dasher out.